Canon. New camera. This is the one that I got. It's so nice. So I have to watch a few YouTube videos and figure out how to use it. But I really like it so far. So I have it on my tripod right here. So this is what it looks like. It has the flip out screen on the side and it's really nice. I like it a lot. So now we just have to figure out how to use this bad boy. Because y'all know I had the G7X. Well, I still have the G7X, and I mean, it's the G7X, of course, doesn't have this big lens, but it shouldn't be that difficult to use because it's still a Canon. So I follow Canon on YouTube, so I'll just go to their YouTube channel and watch a few tutorials, and I should be up and running by the end of the day. So love my new camera. Happy Tuesday. So I'm getting ready to drop my son off, and then I am headed to the gym. Okay, y'all, so I still have this stuff from Shein that I need to return, that purse and the white pants. So I'm getting ready to run this up to UPS and let them send this stuff back. It usually take probably about 4 days before I see like the refund on my account, because anytime I send something back, I'll just get a credit and then just choose something else. So that's what I'm gonna do. With the items that I purchased that did not work out. Y'all know I'm still so hurt about this bag. Y'all can see it through the plastic. So sad because the bag was so cute. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to drop this off. Okay, we're at the UPS store. Send this stuff back. I'm getting stuff done today, y'all. Y'all, Kalila's getting her nails done by my nail tech today. This is the nail place that I go to, Matrix Nails. Good morning. As you guys can see, I am on my way to the gym. But I have a little bit of running around to do today because tomorrow is my husband's birthday. So I already know what I want to get him. I want to try to find him some shades. I bought him a really nice pair of Versace shades years ago, and they was just like a nice pair of basic black shades, but they were Versace, so they was like the type of shades that kind of never go out of style. It wasn't like a fancy logo on the side or nothing like that. They just, you know, said Versace on the side, and somebody stole them. He had them for a long time, and somebody stole them probably like last year. So I'm gonna go to the store today when I leave the gym and see if I can find some more. So I think that'll be a really good surprise for him. And that's pretty much it. I gotta do a mukbang today. I need to go to Rose. And I think that's it. So let's go. So I am at the town center, and this is the place right here. I'm going to look for these shades, so hopefully. Look at him. Y'all hear this phone? Okay, anyway, this is where I'm going to find these glasses, so hopefully they have something that I like. So I'm at Target. I thought I brought my camera, but I didn't. But I have these 4 dresses that I want to try on because they're so cute. This is my outfit of the day. Yeah, so I just left Target and I tried the mocha cookie crumble with almond milk. It's so good, but it's so sweet. It's full of calories. Don't do it, sis, but it's so good. Look at the top. Mocha cookie crumble with almond milk. Y'all, I've literally been to about 4 stores looking for hand sanitizer because both of the Walmarts near me have been out for a week. Target is out, the Dollar Tree is out. So I do have like the wipes and stuff like that, but I want to get like some hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna try Office Depot. The lady said she don't know when they're gonna restock it, so I just been on the hunt for hand sanitizer. This little virus going around, I don't want no parts of it. Okay, y'all, so right now I am sitting at my computer, just basically going through this 2-hour course on how to properly use my new baby here. I have the Canon M50, and this guy here is amazing. He is taking you through everything, okay, from each button, each setting. Like, he's doing it all. I am only 21 minutes in. This video is a 2-hour long video, but he is taking you through everything. So I really appreciate him for making this video because I need it, okay? But you always want to, anytime you upgrade your equipment, you want to be able to use it properly and get the best out of the equipment. I am very excited about this camera because I've heard so many good things about it. So I want to make sure that I can use it properly. I'm not into photography or anything like that. I do want to get the best picture quality that I possibly can. So I'm watching all these courses. I've probably watched about 5 different videos. I've watched Sean with Think Media. That is my dude. I love watching him. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm being a nerd right now, y'all, but I spent my money and I want to make sure that I can use my camera properly. So that's what I'm doing right now. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. So I am on my way to get my nails done. So I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this t-shirt dress that I picked up from Target, and my Vans, my favorite crossbody, my Amazon shades that I love. Today I have to do a mukbang. I'm so over my hair like this. It was really cute with the outfit that I wore, but I'm over it now. So I'll probably straighten it out and just wear the short bob for a little bit longer, maybe like a week, and then I'll be back to my long hair because I'm over it. This dress is like so comfortable, and this is a size large. So I have to run to Sephora because I need some more Laura Mercier setting powder. So I need to go to Sephora to pick that up. And then I was thinking about stopping by MAC to get some concealer. So of course I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's go. I'm back from the nail salon, and I did the same color this time, but I changed my shape. So I decided to go with the almond nails this time. So I like them. I think they're really pretty. Love them. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. It's Friday, so happy Friday, y'all. She laying on his lap. He like, hold up, little mama. I gotta get something. He ain't say it like that, but you know, I gotta put a little swag on. He takes his pistol out of his pocket and set it on the table. Dang. That's not me happy to see you. Okay? You're laying on something. Let me get that.